Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through the process on how you can log out of Gmail from all devices that you are signed in with. You might have bounced between various devices for work purpose or personal use. If you have, then you'll want to make sure you're signed out of all your Gmail account after you're done. There might be cases when you forgot to sign out of your Gmail from the devices that is not yours. In this case, we have a solution for you. Watch the video till the very end to learn how. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Go to your web browser on your computer and sign into your Gmail account. Now, tap on the profile icon on the top right. Click on Manage your Google account. From the left-hand side menu, click on Security. Now, scroll down to find Manage Device under your devices. Click on Manage Devices, and these are the lists of the devices where you are currently signed in with your Google account. If you find any devices that you want to sign out of, tap on the three dots on the top right and click on Sign Out. Signing out from the device will remove access to your Google account from this device. Simply click on Sign Out. Click on OK from the pop-up, and that is it. You have logged out of Gmail from a particular device. Similarly, if you want to log out of all the devices, repeat the step. Simply click on the three dots and click on the Sign Out button, and the device will be removed and you'll be logged out of Gmail on a particular device. That way, you can have full control of your account to yourself. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you again with another tutorial episodes like this. Thank you for watching.